Welcome in a CloudTalk review. My name is Marcus, and in this video, I'm going to review CloudTalk. CloudTalk is a user-friendly, cloud-based phone software that is used by sales teams and also for support teams. There are a few things that I like about CloudTalk, but there are things that I don't like. I'm going to also review the other reviews that people wrote so you can get the full scope about CloudTalk. But there is one thing that I really like straight away before we jump into the review, is that you can get free trial of 14 days without adding a card to CloudTalk. And this is a huge thing, in my opinion, when a company presents that, okay, you can get a free trial, you don't have to add a card, you can test it out by yourself to see if you like it or no, because many times what happens is that if you're going to add a card while registering, they will charge you, right? CloudTalk is not doing that. So what you can do, let me show you, is when you would scroll down below to the description on this video, you would click on the link, and you will gonna see the free trial right here. Try for free. You would add a business email and you got it. But let me just start straight away. What are some positives and negatives about the CloudTalk? The first thing is that the negative is that emojis are sometimes broken. So when you're gonna send a message, what they will get is like question mark. And that's the first thing. Also, MMS are not available, so this is something that you have to consider. If you want to have MMS, the pictures on texting platform, you won't be able to have it. Now, the next thing are the solutions and integrations are perfect with CloudTalk, and I would definitely recommend when you would come here to the integrations, you see that you are going to have HubSpot, Salesforce, and it works wonderful with everything. And you are going to see all the integrations they have. And I would definitely recommend checking it up. And you see it's going to work really well. So that's a big plus for CloudTalk, that their integrations are working well. And many people said that when they integrated with Salesforce or HubSpot, it works really well. Now, the next thing, another negative side about CloudTalk is that some people said that when they didn't have a good internet connection, so let's say they were traveling on a train, they wouldn't be able to call and work with CloudTalk. So that's another thing that you should consider. That if you want to travel a lot, you need to have good and stable internet connection. If you're not going to have but it's like with every similar service as a CloudTalk, it's going to be same, but that's something that you should definitely know and think about. So the next thing that I have here, and I wrote it down for you, is that the tool is sometimes slow. Sometimes what will happen if you're going to use it, that you will see it can be a little bit frustrating, but definitely keep in mind that it's working, but sometimes it can be slow. And the last thing that I prepared for you is when you would come here to the pricing, some people said that, let's say it's going to be in US dollars, that it was a little bit expensive for them. Per user month, billed monthly, or expert, it really depends what you need. In my opinion, it's kind of all right. Let's say team of 5. If you're going to use it and it's going to be worth your while and worth the money, it can be really good. So my recommendation would be definitely try it for free. I'll check the tool if you like it, if you don't like it, and that's the way to go. Now, the thing is that if you come here to solutions, you see the solutions for what it's actually effective. So solution call center software for support and sales. You see how many companies are actually using that. So for customer support, inbound calls are for free. So you have 40% time by utilizing CloudTalk Smart and Call Flow Designer. You can integrate it and you are covered, right? And you get really good analytics with it. Now, that's the first solution. The second solution, when you see the inbound support center, call center software takes the chaos out of your phone process. And it's what I showed you already. Outbound sales, outbound call center software for sales. And this is if you want to work with it on sales, you would see make more conversation. We believe simplicity is the key to success. CloudTalk next gen feature Power Dialer is designed to make more outbound calls automatically. Simple and effective sales reporting. Convert more leads. And you see right here that it's like pretty effective. And then business phone system. A cloud-based business phone system to make smart calls. so you can focus on growing your business instead. Set up your call center in 5 minutes, and you're good to go. And you start dialing and you start calling to everyone you want, anyone you need, right? So that's a way to go with CloudTalk, and this is something that I really like. Now, if you can have any questions about CloudTalk, guys, let me down in the comments, and I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. This was a CloudTalk review. I hope I gave you a little bit of value or what you can expect or what you can expect. My always recommendation is test it out by yourself, that if you like it or if you don't like it, you can always get the reviews right here of the other people. As you can see, there are plenty of good ones, 4 stars, 3 stars, 2, 1. So 4 point, what is that? 4.5, 4.3 out of 5 is pretty good. But it really, the question is if it suits you. The service offer is not exactly cheap, but as well as not extremely expensive. The online platform takes a little bit of time to update with the phone number, but that's okay. And you see right here that even people said that few times the calls were static and echo. And yeah, so my camera just went off, and I just want to make this tutorial, this like walkthrough. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and I gave you some kind of value about the CloudTalk. It would be really great if you would share your own opinion of CloudTalk, so you can help other people and we can help each other here. And yeah, thank you very much and have a great day, guys, and goodbye. See ya.